Hey guys, welcome to a brand new listing. This one coming on the market here very soon. 4728 Mountain Tree, single story, 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 3-car garage, a rare find in an all single story community. Take a look. Everything's well taken care of. Oh, nice landscaping. Has a small HOA, about 25 bucks a month. It's nothing too much, but it definitely keeps the area very, very nice. Nice landscaping, well taken care of. Let's take a look at the side over here. We got the 3-car garage. Over here we have a nice little side yard. Gate to go through. Beautiful pineapple palm. This one does have solar and it is paid for. So solar panels up there on the roof, they are paid for, so there's no lease. The power bill here is roughly about $13 a month. So no long-term leases to get into. Let's go take a look at the inside. Nice entry. Got a coat closet. Got some tile floor. And then the wood laminate. Big open floor plan. Lots of light. Kitchen open to the living family room. Got a nice counter and cabinets, refrigerator stays, pantry, and then a little breakfast nook area over there. Again, lots of light and very nice. Ceiling fans. Let's take a look down the hall. We've got a closet, linen closet. So if we go here, we're going to go to the left really quick. We have a bedroom, ceiling fans, bedroom, using it as an office. Second room, ceiling fans, good size. Got your closet. Then we have our third of 4 bedrooms. Again, with the ceiling fans in every room. We have our laundry room. With the 3-car garage through there. We'll take a really quick look, but actually the cats are out there, so we won't. But it's a good sized 3-car garage. We have the second bathroom, which has been recently updated. Nice shower, beautiful doors. Your sink. Nice mirror. Then we'll go into the master bedroom. Have a walk-in closet here. They prefer me not to show everything that's in there, so master bed. And then the master bath. Dual sinks, soaking tub, shower. All very nice. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and a 3-car garage. Very, very rare find. And then, of course, the solar, which saves a ton of money. And then we have the backyard. The dogs are back there, so I'm not going to go back there, but we have the patio cover, which goes the full length of the house, and then pretty much a blank slate for you back there. But definitely pool sized, plenty of room to do whatever you would like in the backyard. And this one is coming on the market very soon. Reach out to me, 702-245-3360. If you would like some more information, price, and everything else. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. David Martin with the Dominguez-Martin Group. Keller Williams Realty Southwest. Talk to you soon.